Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in house design. Today, we're diving into 21 design trends tailored specifically for the West. So, if you're looking to bring some Western charm into your home, you've come to the right place. 1. Modern ranch style. First up, we have the modern ranch style. This design embraces the iconic Western ranch aesthetic with clean lines, open floor plans, and natural materials like stone and wood. It's all about that perfect blend of modern and rustic. 2. Desert-inspired color palettes. To capture the essence of the arid landscapes, consider desert-inspired color palettes. Think warm earth tones like sand, clay, and muted cacti greens. These colors will bring a touch of the Southwest into your home. 3. Adobe architecture. For a truly authentic Western feel, consider incorporating elements of traditional adobe architecture. Rounded corners, terracotta roofs, and stucco finishes will give your home that timeless appeal. 4. Courtyard living. In the Western region, courtyards are a popular feature. They provide privacy, serve as outdoor living spaces, and promote natural ventilation. Imagine enjoying the fresh air and sunshine right in the heart of your home. 5. Indoor-outdoor flow. One thing the Western region is known for is its connection to the outdoors. Create seamless transitions between your indoor and outdoor areas with large glass doors, covered patios, and even outdoor kitchens. It's all about that indoor-outdoor flow. 6. Sustainable design. Embrace sustainable design practices that align with the Western region's commitment to the environment. Incorporate passive solar design, rainwater harvesting systems, and xeriscaping to promote energy efficiency and water conservation. 7. Southwestern patterns. Add a touch of Southwestern flair to your home with geometric patterns, tribal motifs, and Native American-inspired designs in your textiles, rugs, and artwork. These patterns will infuse your space with vibrant colors and cultural significance. 8. Pueblo Revival style. The Pueblo Revival style is heavily influenced by Native American and Spanish colonial architecture. Think rounded exteriors, clay roofs, and exposed beams. It's a design choice that pays homage to the region's rich history. 9. Open concept living. To accommodate the Western region's relaxed and communal lifestyle, opt for open concept living spaces. This design choice allows for spacious and interconnected living, dining, and kitchen areas. 10. Saltillo tile. Consider using saltillo tiles, a type of Mexican terracotta tile, to add warmth and character to your floors, patios, and entryways. These tiles bring a touch of the Southwest into any space. 11. Mountain Lodge aesthetics. If you're in a mountainous area, embrace the rugged charm of mountain lodge aesthetics. Incorporate stone accents, timber framing, and cozy fireplaces for that perfect mountain retreat feel. Rustic modernism. Blend rustic elements like reclaimed wood and natural stone with modern touches like clean lines and sleek finishes. Rustic modernism strikes the perfect balance between cozy and contemporary. 13. Veranda living. Take advantage of the mild western climate by designing expansive verandas or covered porches. These outdoor spaces allow you to enjoy the fresh air and take in the scenic views right from the comfort of your own home. 14. Western art and decor. Pay homage to the Western region's history and culture by displaying Western-themed artwork, cowboy memorabilia, and vintage photographs. These personal touches add a unique character to your space. 15. Metal roofing. For an authentic Western look, consider metal roofing. Not only does it provide durability and energy efficiency, but it also adds that distinctive Western aesthetic to your home. 16. Ranch-inspired kitchen. Create a charming ranch-inspired kitchen with farmhouse sinks, butcher block countertops, and open shelving. These elements bring a rustic yet functional feel to your culinary haven. 17. High desert modern. Blend modern design elements with the textures and colors of the high desert. Large windows that capture breathtaking views are key in achieving the high desert modern aesthetic. 18. Desert landscaping. Design low-maintenance landscapes with drought-resistant plants, gravel pathways, and native flora. Desert landscaping complements the arid environment and saves water. 19. Western-style barns. Repurpose barn structures as guest houses, home offices, or entertainment spaces. Repurpose barn structures as guest houses, home offices, or entertainment spaces. 20. Cowboy chic. Infuse a touch of Western influence through accents like cowhide rugs, leather furniture, and vintage cowboy boots. Cowboy chic adds a playful and nostalgic vibe to your space. 21. Solar power integration. Harness the abundant sunshine in the western region by incorporating solar panels into your home's design. Solar power integration is a sustainable choice that aligns with the region's commitment to renewable energy. And there you have it. Those were 21 house design trends specifically tailored for the Western region. I hope you found some inspiration for your own Western-style home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design content. Thanks for watching.